Sun gold are gradually getting ready. The first terraces. We had already harvested one of these tomatoes. Again, more cucumber harvest. I'm going to harvest all of this now. 1, 2, and there's more I'll show you. These plants, this one. These Persian tomatoes are now ready to harvest. So let's see if I can harvest them. There is another one of these Persian cucumbers. There is more cucumber here to be harvested. And more here which I will harvest. And even more. And even more here, which I will harvest this one probably tomorrow. So I want to harvest some basil. And this is the second harvest of the sun gold F1 tomato. We had already one tomato harvested just for the tasting. There is more here which I can harvest. So far one morning harvest. I may give some of this to our friends as a gift to let them have the fresh produce if they have not grown it themselves. So this is the harvest of the cucumber. I've chopped them with some ice also in the bowl. That's called Mast-o-Khiār. It's a Persian food. I'm going to add yogurt, but I have here buttermilk at the moment, so I got it very cheap, 29p, or no, 48p this one. And I'm going to put it here, add a little bit salt, add a little bit mint, dry mint. You can add whatever you have in the kitchen, it doesn't matter what you do. You don't have any of this. Tarragon I will add it also. Some water, and that's it, ready to eat. And you can add raisins, you can add walnuts, you can add any mixture of nuts and fruits. And that is cooling for summer. A cooling light food for summer. And this is raisins and cranberries, which I'm going to add now. Raisin and cranberries added. I add a little bit salt. It's not according to your taste. You don't need to, but if you want, you can add some mint. And I have tarragon, so I just use tarragon also. And then you can mix it and ready to eat. If you add walnuts, all kind of nuts to this, that makes it really filling. You can add, dates, Persian dates, or anything that you have. Apricot, name it. You can do anything that you want into it. Cherries, if you like. I have some basil also. I just add it there, and that's it. It's endless. You can add whatever you like.